Do you know that having your ads show up in the wrong places on Amazon can be costing you thousands? Let me show you how you can control where your ads show up on Amazon so that you can make more sales and higher profits in minutes. Let's keep it simple and say that you're running an advertising campaign to push your product onto page 1 for a popular search term. You set up the ad campaign, you wait a couple of days, you type in the search term, you scroll down the page, but you can't find your ad or your product anywhere. This is where you need to make sure that you are setting up the correct campaigns and you're using the correct bid placements to ensure that your ads are showing where you want them to be shown. For example, a campaign designed to push a product onto page 1 for a popular keyword, you're going to want to set up an exact match sponsored product campaign, select the search term you want to rank for, scroll to placements, and you'll see 3 options: top of search, first page, rest of search, and product pages. Now, if we want to rank on page 1 for this search term, then we need to generate more sales than the competitors who are currently showing at the top of the page. So to give us the best chance of doing this, we need to prioritize the top of search placement so that our ad is being shown first before a customer has the chance to see any of our competitors' products. Therefore, we might want to set a lower bid of £1, but a bid adjustment on top of search 100%. This means we're prepared to pay double for ads to be shown at top of search for that search term. We can then come back to these campaigns after a couple of days to check on performance, and Amazon Ads is going to tell us where our ads have been shown, how many people have clicked on our ads in different positions, and which ones have performed the best. We can then adjust our bidding to suit and make more money. Analysing and controlling placements is something that we do for all of our clients across all their campaigns, especially when you're spending tens of thousands of pounds a month. Analysing and controlling where your ads are shown is crucial to unlocking more sales and improving your margins on Amazon. Feel free to give this a go and check back on some of the campaigns that you've been running and see if there's anywhere an additional placement might improve performance. It's not always top of search that is the best. Rest of search bid placements I've found to be a bit of a gold mine. And remember, if you need any additional help with your Amazon account or Amazon ads, just drop me a message and follow for more.